Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add Discord link to TikTok. Firstly, go up onto your Discord account and just simply here on the server side you need to go on the invite members. Click on it and write down, as you can see here it is, the link, but firstly you need to go and set the link to never expire with typing on the button and turning on. Now as you can see the link has been changed. This link you can go and copy it, as you can see. Now you need to go on your TikTok and go for your profile section. Then I'm gonna change the account firstly because I don't wanna get up through this account, but also I can go for edit profile, and on the website section I can type here the link, and what I need to do next is just go on the save, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.